This is our third class on reorder paragraphs. Here again we are going to solve one set, understand the solution very properly. Where is the introduction sentence? How are the words or the clues or the transition words given in other sentences are helping us to organize, and where exactly is the closing line? We will understand the logic behind this set. And in order to speed up our reading, whether it is a reorder paragraphs or any other module, the words and the meanings again play an important role. So we have picked up some words and phrases from the same reorder paragraphs and offered you the meanings also. Pause the video, go through every word and develop your speed. At last, like always, there is a practice set. Pause the video when the question appears on the screen. Quickly apply the same tips and strategies. Post the solution. We are here to guide you. And here comes the question. As always, pause it and quickly solve it. Understand the flow? Okay, now time to solve the reorder paragraphs. It is always that you have to find the general introduction line. And when you have read the 4 sentences, sentence number 4, which speaks about Karl Marx, and it is introducing him clearly. As we have known earlier also, no pronouns like he, she, these, which are referring back to the subject, can be your introduction sentences. And because of these reasons, sentence number 4 becomes your first opening sentence. Following this, Karl Marx's role as a foreign correspondent was expanded in sentence number 1. There is a time reference and some factual details. There is also a use of a pronoun in the word his. So all these words again make it a logical sentence to follow the introduction, and this happens to be your second sentence. Sentence number 3 is exactly the sentence number 3 in the answer also. The reason it gives examples, it uses the word particularly, which is either signaling to the illustration or maybe going in detail. This further deepens the argument and strengthens the opinion. Thereby, this naturally follows the background and happens to be sentence number 3. The second sentence is the last sentence in the solution. The word above all refers to the final conclusion. It summarizes the impact and looks forward to the present day with the use of the word today. So this happens to be the closing sentence. So the correct order of the reorder paragraph set 3 is 4, 1, 3 and 2. What exactly is done here? There is an introduction, going on further with the background, stating examples and thereby showing the impact. And when you reorganize the complete 4 sentences in the same order, your text appears something like this. Pause the video again, read every sentence, and thereby you understand the story very clearly. Following this are the words and meanings which are just for your basic information. Quickly go through every word and its meaning, which helps you in developing your reading speed. Right. Those were the complete set of words which you have seen in the reorder paragraphs. And as always, here is the practice set for you. Again, simple 4 sentences. There is no negative marking. Follow the flow and quickly develop your speed and accuracy. Happy learning, students. Do share the videos, subscribe and increase our family. Whatever your other requirements are, do post them. We are here to guide you. Until then, happy learning. Develop your confidence and develop your speed. We will be coming with the videos continuously. Bye for now.